everybody, it's your girl Mrs. Garcia coming back with another video. To all my new watchers, hello and welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification down below. Let's give this video a full watch and a thumbs up. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my barbecue pork belly. I'm going to show you everything I put inside. Let's get started. So I did get this pork belly from Winco. If you don't know where to get it, this is about 3.5 pounds, and we're gonna chop this whole thing up. Everything else you'll need is honey, garlic, soy sauce, oyster sauce, hoisin, brown sugar, and green onions. So I did chop them up into about 1 inch to 1.5 inches. Just nice size pieces. And I like to use the fat part for my dog. I like to give it to them or get all the fat out that I can so I can fry my fried rice in that. So now we're going to start marinating our pork belly. Go in with 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of hoisin, 1.5 teaspoons of honey, a teaspoon of oyster sauce, and this did come out to about 2 tablespoons, 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 handfuls of brown sugar, and our green onions. I did use about 3 to 4. Now give that a good mix. Make sure each pork belly is coated in the flavor. If you would like, you can add Chinese spice as well as mirin. We're gonna let this marinate overnight, but if you're ready to cook it right away, just let it sit for 3 hours. Now we're just gonna go in with the same ingredients that we used to marinate to get our glaze. So 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of hoisin, and 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce. Then go in with a little handful of brown sugar, and you guys know I have to have my spice, so I did go in with 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and to give it the beautiful red color, give a nice drizzle of red food coloring. Mix that all together. Look how beautiful and red that is. Now we're just going to move this over to the side and get our pork belly on our baking sheet. So you can use the non-stick spray, but I was just trying to get rid of some of this oil that I had left over, so I just coated my aluminum foil in that. Now go ahead and place your pork belly onto the baking sheet, the baking pan. And it should look like that. Make sure you preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Now this recipe, you can also use the air fryer. You would put it on 425. So I did place those in the oven for 30 to 45 minutes until they became nice and golden brown like this. In the air fryer, you would leave them inside for 30 minutes. We're going to now glaze our pork belly and then place those back in the oven for another 15 to 20 minutes, or if you're using the air fryer, another 10 minutes. And look at how beautiful it came out. These were so delicious, like I couldn't stop eating them. I'm just showing you that I'm garnishing my pork belly with some more green onion. You can enjoy this with fried rice, or if you have some left over, go ahead and chop it up and use it for pork fried rice. I hope you guys all enjoy this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this content. And for more tasty recipes, go ahead and hit the playlist at the end.